In this video, we will learn how to use text to column in Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the name list. So here I'm going to split this name in first name and last name. So I'm using the text to column. So first select the data, go to the data tab, click on the text to column option. Then here you see the convert text to column dialog box is open. Then select the delimited. Below this option have a preview of selected data. Here you see the selected data show here. Then click on the next, and here I want to remove the comma from this data. So I select the comma and remove this tab option. Then click on the next and click on the finish. Click on OK. That's it. Here you see the second name is split in first column, but I want both name in split in first name and last name. I just press the Ctrl Z and I show you how it's done. This time I select the full data here and go to the data tab and click on the text to column. Then I select the delimited option, click on the next option. Then here I select the comma because I want to remove this comma. Then click on the next option. Here have an option destination 3 of 3 step. In 3 of 3 step have option destination. Here you see A2 is a selected. A2 here the first name is a A2. But here I have to select the area where I want to split the name. I select the B2. Okay. Then click on the finish. Click on the OK. That's it. Here you see the both name is split in different column. So this is a way you can split your name. Now I'm going to join this name. So here I'm using the concatenate function. So I use the is equal to concatenate. Okay. Then tab, select the first, then comma, select the second, then bracket close. That's it. I just drag this formula below the cell. Here you see. This is a way you can join your text. Okay. So after that, if you want to uppercase text, then just edit this formula and use here the upper function. Okay. Then use the bracket, last bracket, close again. That's it. Here you see, just drag the formula below the cell. You can convert it uppercase also. This is a way you can use the text to column. Plus I show you here concatenate and upper function how it's used. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.